I'm going to show you how to insert a photo using your webcam and how to crop it into an oval shape so you can use it on another image like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an image from my camera. There's two ways to do this. I can either go insert image from camera, or I can actually just click the insert image button and select from camera. Once I do that, I will then get an image from my computer, like a preview here. So it's like, ooh, previewception. But I'll smile and take a picture. And then I will hit insert. So now my photo, there's me. So now my photo is showing up here on the slide. So that's the first part. I took a photo and I got it onto my slide. Yay, step one. But now I need to crop it into that oval shape and make it fit my character. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool. It gets overlooked very easily. So there's this cropping tool, but right next to it, that little drop-down arrow says mask image. So you want to click on that and go down to shapes, and you want to find your circle or your oval shape. And when you click on it, you get like this preview of how it's going to be clipped. And it's a great start, but it's not really what we want. So the trick here is double click on the image. When I double click, I now get these little black handlebars, and you can very carefully, you don't want to click the blue anchor points, you want to only be selected on the black points, and you can drag those in, and you can move this around and fit it just right for your picture. And then I hit the return or the enter key, and that crops it in the oval that I want. So now I can move it over to my character, and it looks like it might be a little bit small. So just like any other shape, I can actually just grab the anchor points in the corner, and I can move it and resize it to what I want. And then either this is good as is, or you're like, well, I want that face to go behind the hair. So I use my control down arrow, and I keep hitting down, down, down until it works just how I want. So clearly that's too far. Move it back up one. And there is my picture inside my character. And looks funny, but awesome. Yay.